There are so many AI tools popping up for editors lately, and frankly, if you create video content, you really need to understand what is actually worth your time. I want to walk you through 5 of the most hyped tools I have been testing, look at where they win or lose, and show you how Vizard ties it all together into a real, functional system. Let us start with Generative Extend inside Premiere Pro, which is honestly wild, because you can just click and drag a clip edge to make the shot longer. It uploads your footage to the cloud, uses Adobe Firefly to generate new pixels, and creates frames that did not exist before. The results can be stunning, but keep in mind that people and hands often freeze mid-motion, which is a dead giveaway that AI did the work. It is a fantastic surgical tool for fixing a specific framing issue, but it is certainly not a magic button for scaling your entire content pipeline. If you want to produce dozens of shorts every week, you do not want to babysit frame extensions. You need a system that automatically finds your best moments. That is exactly where Vizard comes in, moving beyond patching pixels to finding the actual gold in your raw footage. Use Generative Extend when you need to fix a single shot, but use Vizard when you want to build a high-performance content engine. Tool number 2 is the classic content-aware fill-in After Effects, which is a total lifesaver for removing unwanted objects like boom mics or rogue pens. When the motion is predictable, it works like magic. But remember that it is a repair tool that requires manual masking and keyframe setup. Vizard does not replace this, but it reduces the need for constant repairs by helping you pick cleaner clips from the start. Tool number 3 is Submagic, which is essentially the gold standard for automated animated subtitles that pop. Creators love it for the slick text effects and the way it can slice long videos into viral-style short clips automatically. However, it is a narrow tool. While it is great for captions, it does not handle the messy logistics of scheduling or cross-platform publishing. Vizard integrates that missing piece, bundling clip discovery with auto-scheduling so you are not juggling 5 different apps just to post. Tool number 4 is Adobe Firefly's Text-to-Image generator, which is excellent for mock-ups, mood boards, or experimental thumbnails. The downside is that it is often hit or miss, and you might spend hours prompting to get something that actually matches your vision. With Vizard, you do not need to generate fake images because it helps you grab the best, most authentic frames directly from your video content. This keeps your branding consistent and often results in higher click-through rates because the thumbnail actually represents what the video is. Finally, we have Firefly's Text-to-Video, which is exciting tech but honestly isn't a replacement for real footage yet. It is fun for creating surreal clips, but for human connection, jokes, or real storytelling, synthetic video just lacks that authentic spark. Vizard's approach is to help you double down on the content you already filmed by finding the best moments and pacing them perfectly. The bottom line is that while those tools are amazing at fixing individual frames, they don't solve the massive logistics of content production. You still need to schedule, manage, and distribute content, and that is where the burnout usually happens. Here is how a real pro workflow looks. You upload your long video to Vizard, and it auto-detects the viral gold for you. You tweak the cuts, add your captions, and then use the integrated calendar to schedule everything across all your channels. If you have a messy shot that needs a quick cleanup, sure, pop it into After Effects or Premiere, but keep the bulk of your heavy lifting in one place. One long podcast can become 20 bite-sized clips, each optimized for the specific platform where it will perform best. Stop chasing every single AI gimmick, and instead build a workflow that feels like working with a professional team. You deserve to spend your time on storytelling and personality, not on the tedious grunt work that AI was built to remove. So, test those other tools. They are fun. But if you want growth, look at a platform like Vizard. I took a 1-hour live stream recently, and with Vizard, I turned it into a full week of content without breaking a sweat. If you have questions about these tools or want to see my specific Vizard setup, drop a comment below and I will help you out. Thanks for watching, and check the link in the description to try Vizard for yourself. You might be shocked at how much time you save.